It's like a tsunami went through here, but just Andrew. The ceilings are down, all lath and plaster. All the walls are down. 14 pieces of trimming on every window. They knew how to do it back then the right way. Cool little retro fridge for a stove. Look at this mess. Dumpster's already half full too. Well, here we go. Time to go get fed by the homeowners. Tarp scene.